Hey guys, it's Kmart Radio here. Today we're going to be looking at under the hood of Big Bubba. So I'm under the hood right now and I noticed something. So you see the oil reservoir here shaking and it comes out of the motor. It's not supposed to do that. So I'm assuming that this is broken or someone did not put it in there correctly. So I was looking through YouTube on videos about problems with the Ford E-Series or the Econoline, the ticking noises, trying to figure out why my van has a ticking, thumping noise, and I came across a very informal video. I came across this YouTube channel by the name of 1A Auto Repair, Tips and Secrets Only Mechanics Know. I'm going to show you a clip from that video that I thought helped me greatly.
On this particular vehicle, the safety issue comes from the exhaust manifolds. There's going to be a couple different things that could happen with these manifolds. One of them could be, and it's a very common thing, would be the studs that hold the manifold to the engine itself tend to either rot or just break off, or even the manifold itself gets a crack in it. Another symptom that you might happen to notice, especially when the engine's cold, not when the engine's warmed up, is a ticking noise. The ticking noise is going to come from the manifold area where it connects to the engine. Generally, you're going to be able to find that inside one of the wheel wells. So if your vehicle's nice and cool, maybe you left it sitting out overnight and it's nice and cooled down, jump in it, start it right up. Right as soon as you do that, you need to run from one side of the wheel well to the other wheel well and listen for a little ticking noise. If you hear a ticking noise, that's where you're going to start looking.
I'm going to put the link to that video in the description of this video so you can watch the entire video and hopefully it'll help you like it helped me. I thought the ticking from that van in that video sounded very similar to mine, so I thought I would compare. So I'm looking under both wheel wells right now. This is the passenger wheel well. There you go. I could see the manifold right there. It doesn't look like it's in good shape. The driver's side. I don't see it over here. But yep. If you liked this video and it helped you, click the subscribe button down below. Thank you.